Hey guys, today we have a neck fan in our hands. Recently we had to deal with several DIY projects that took hours of time. At our job site, we have everything except a fan that keeps us cool everywhere, every time. Although there were big standing fans, they were pretty tough to move frequently. That's why we brought this ChillGo bladeless neck fan, which provided the portability we needed and saved us from breaking a sweat. Since we've been using it for a few days, we'll share our thoughts with you guys. As you can see, the neck fan comes in a nice box. Let's open it up. Here we got some instructions, and this is the fan. It's nicely folded and covered with protective paper. Then here's the USB charger, and that's all we have. After taking it out of the box, we first noticed that the folding mechanism of this fan blends with its classic look. It took a little room off our job site bag as it gets half of its actual size when folded down. And whenever we tried to unfold it, it was easy to do so, not so tight or wobbly. Then you can see the build quality of this neck fan is pretty durable, so there are no concerns about the job site's harshness. There are air vents on every side, and these holes are for better airflow. Now, we've got two buttons over here, one for turning on and off the rear turbos and another one to adjust between the three modes. And here is the charging port of the fan. During our usage, the first thing we loved about this bladeless neck fan was its comparatively low noise level. It never bothered us that much, but if you use it in the highest mode, there could be some noticeable sound. You see the fan size, it's compact, and the weight to size ratio is balanced, so you'll never get annoyed wearing it on your job site. As we mentioned before, the foldable mechanism makes the fan easy to fit into our tool bags, so we had relief from the heat on our every project, be that indoor or outdoor. But fitting in bags isn't the key role of the fan. It also needs to fit into our necks, and we appreciated its horizontal adjustment at 30 degrees and vertical adjustment at 90 degrees. We were able to get the perfect fit for our necks. The personalized fit will ensure that the fan stays securely in place on your neck without causing discomfort or hindrance to your work. You will feel the difference when dealing with some messy projects. The hands-free headphone design of this neck fan was a bonus since it played a vital role in comfort, productivity, and of course, mobility. When we put it on, we must admit that the fan met our expectations in terms of the cooling performance. You'll get 3 customizable cooling levels from it. To increase the fan speed from its low mode, all we had to do was press the button. With a single press, the fan speed shifted to the medium level, and another press took it to high speed. And the third press simply turned it off. You can also adjust the fan after wearing it, and it will perfectly suit your neck's position. No doubt the hands-free headphone design is great for comfortable wearing. We could feel the air that was coming from its 4 turbine motors, and each motor was placed underneath the air outlets. The manufacturer claims that the motor significantly increased the air volume by 90% and reduced the temperature by 15 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds. Though we could not measure the mathematical range, but we loved how quickly it cooled us down. When you wear it, you'll instantly notice the difference, all because of its rapid cooling system. We think this fan will be a great aid, particularly during hot summer days when the work environment becomes intense. When we used the fan for hours, we were initially concerned about its inconsistency in the airflow. However, this neck fan's built-in 5200 mAh rechargeable battery truly impressed us. And to be honest, we were satisfied with its battery life as we never had to charge it twice during our project hours. Although the battery is claimed to provide up to 12 hours of uninterrupted cooling relief on a single charge, according to us, there will be no concern regarding its battery life. You'll find the included USB-C cord to be convenient for charging the fan. It makes the entire charging process so much easier. Whether outdoors, using a portable power bank, or having access to a wall outlet, you can easily connect the fan and quickly recharge it. You'll get the flexibility to power up the fan wherever you are, making it even more convenient to use on a daily basis. So now you know everything about this neck fan, its portability, cooling efficiency, battery life, and all. The ChillGo bladeless neck fan assures a serene working experience with its promise of comfort and convenience. Since we were thoroughly impressed by all the aspects, we will recommend it to any professional job site worker or DIY enthusiast.